Here's how much you need to make to buy a $500,000 house. Let's assume you put 3.5% down, which is $17,500 using an FHA loan, with an interest rate of 6.03%. Your loan amount will be $482,500, and your monthly payment will be $2,903. But you also have to pay taxes, insurance, and MIP. Let's say your insurance is $250 per month, property tax is $556 per month, and then MIP is extra money you'll pay because you got an FHA loan which puts less than 20% down. It's usually 0.85% of the loan amount every single year. So you take $482,500, multiply that by 0.0085, divide that by 12, and you get $342 per month. So your total monthly payment will be $4,049.50. Now, banks want to make sure that this monthly number is only 28% of your pre-tax income. So you take $4,049.50, divide that by 0.28. That's how much you need to make every month, and then you multiply that by 12 to get $173,550 is what you need to make every single year to buy a $500,000 house given these assumptions. Follow for more tips for beginner real estate investors.